Don and Parita with you again. I wanted you to get a view of these islands up close, but I also want you to see this in the distance. I'm going to zoom in as much as I can, but it's maybe going to become apparent. Yep, it's a statue. It's a statue of Mother Mary. So I will try to get pictures once we get closer. With us for more videos and pictures. God bless you all. We love you.